The reason why I would suggest doing any of the Okta trainings, especially the online ones, is the ability to pick up where you left off if you only have a couple minutes. It's so easy and it's so powerful.
There's constantly more to learn, constantly more to build into, and I feel like it's where it's all happening right now.
It has increased my confidence levels, like probably 5 points, to be able to do a lot of things that I hadn't before.
It doesn't matter where you are in your career, you're learning at the same pace that everybody else is here.
I'm not a developer, I'm not a coder, I don't live in that world, so when I saw it, it kind of intimidated me.
But after having this training today, I'm like, wow, it just made everything so simple.
Let it all come to you and you'll get those key bits and nuggets of information and you just remember so much more from that. So I think that experience is really invaluable.